Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of the Missouri Star Quilt Christmas box unboxing. We're going to unbox today items 6 through to 10. It is December 10th. You may have seen some of these already before, but you haven't seen our reactions because we haven't seen them yet, and we're about to see them. So, without a further ado, ready for number 6?
Yes.
Okay.
I am.
Number 6
This one
came
is
in a
not
box.
heavy, but it doesn't shake.
No, rattles. Well, rattle it. Could it be like a
Interesting.
bottle of something?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, but it doesn't make a sploshing sound. So
No. I'm wondering though, remember last year we got a jar of buttons for a
oh,
project,
yeah.
and I've seen buttons in jars. Or is it thread? Thread.
Oh, maybe.
Pretty
Oh,
heavy
yeah, that would
though.
be good, huh?
Could be. It's kind of heavy though for thread.
Yeah.
Okay, suspense is killing me. Right open.
Yes. Let's open.
Oh my.
Oh,
This is not, I never have guessed this in 1,000 years.
me either. And I like it though.
Oh, do you see the little piece of paper came with it?
Yes. Okay, you ready?
Okay. It is for decorating cookies, Christmas cookies, and it's all done in different, the stars.
Yes.
And it's
So,
got
like for
instructions.
shortbread cookies, I actually have a specialty shortbread pan that I make cookies in that makes snowflake shapes. And this is really cool if you want to make individual little cookies and put some different
Design
decorations
on
on
them.
them.
So
Yeah,
it's
that's
got the
cool.
recipe for how to make these
Yes,
cookies. And, you know, I might just try this
this
out.
is fun. We should
Yeah.
do this in Georgia together.
Oh,
We should make cookies.
make cookies. Make cookies for everyone. Or that'll make a big batch of them and take them down.
That
But
would be fun.
I'll have to try this. What do it takes? Flour, sea salt, baking powder, butter at room temperature, powdered sugar. Yeah, fresh lemon juice.
Lemon
Well,
juice.
not
Oh,
too.
that's easy. Yeah. Very
Okay,
cool.
this will be
I
kind
like
of
this.
fun. Yeah,
Yeah.
not
So
was
that
I
kind
what
of
I
goes
was
with like
expecting.
the dishes. Put your
Yeah,
cookies on your plate.
yeah. Well, yeah. Okay. Yes, it's a theme.
Yes.
Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay. Now we use last year's tray with the cookies on the plates on, and it's okay. There's
Yeah.
definitely this has been thought about. This is one thing I like about the Missouri Star box from last year too.
Uh-huh.
It's not just random things thrown together. They connect. There's a connection to all of this. So
Yeah.
loving that. All right. Number
Very cool.
7.
Number 7.
It feels like another charm pack.
It does.
I'm pretty sure it's a charm pack. Okay, let's open
Yeah.
her and see.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it is. And well, you should be happy about this because
Oh, yeah.
Kona
So
cotton
it is,
solids.
yes, and there's 3 different colors. There looks like there's red, pink. I don't love pink, but that's okay. I love blue. The blue's pretty.
Yeah.
Love the blue.
Yeah, I'm not,
But it
these are
definitely
not
goes
my,
along with something. Maybe it's for those trees. I didn't see the pattern. Are they this color?
no.
Oh,
No, the trees are, uh,
ooh,
um,
pre-cut dust going everywhere.
yeah,
It
I've
looks
got,
like it's snowing in my face.
oh, so I don't know. I don't know, but I have a feeling because
Ooh,
looking at the way these colors go together in this
yeah,
is for some project. But
they do
it
go
says,
together really well.
yeah, the trees were scrap fabric. I don't,
Oh, okay, okay,
and they were also done in sort of a twine thing. So I don't know. I guess
okay.
time will tell.
Time will tell. I
Oh,
really like the colors though of this. That's really nice.
yeah, I'm not usually into pastels, but I kind
Yeah,
of like this combination.
I do too. And there's a lot more of the red if you notice. So this has to be for a project. They have to have
Yeah.
something in mind.
And
Yeah.
remember last year there was the wall hanging. I've got it just over off the side here, the coffee mugs and everything in it.
Yeah.
And this was the color. This was very much the colors they used for
Similar
that.
colors.
So
Yeah.
I have a feeling. Well, we will soon find out. Maybe number that was what that was
7.
that was 7, so I need 8.
Yes.
Where
Day
is
8.
there's day 8? Oh, it's a big soft one again.
It's squishy.
Now that feels like batting.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah, this is
Or you know what it could be is one of those like pre-printed battings, like the quilt as you go.
it could be.
All
Well,
right.
I guess we need to open it to find out.
I hate tearing these bags. They're so
I
pretty.
know they're nice. That's why I'm trying not to rip them.
Yeah.
Okay. This answers the question as to what the fabric is. Yeah,
Oh, I I love this.
way to show.
Yes.
Okay, it's polythermal fleece and the pattern, and you can see it's for making a table runner. And the colors in the table runner are what go with that charm pack. And
Yep.
this has got that, is it Insel Bright?
Yeah.
That's why they
So
call
this is definitely, look at the colors compared to the pattern. That's definitely for that.
it.
I don't think I will put, well, I could see the one like they're showing the smaller one with the coffee mugs on it.
Yes.
That would be good for the Inso Bright. I don't think for the table runner I would put that though. I would rather put like regular batting.
Yeah, why afraid it'll be too fluffy?
No, I just wouldn't put like anything hot on it, so I don't think it needs this.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
And I'd rather save this if I'm making some pot holders or something else. So
I get it.
yeah,
Now, the thing is, I don't like mug rugs that much.
I
I mean,
don't much either. You and I've had that discussion. We're
so
not mug rug people, but I
so
do like table runners, so I will make this. And
yeah.
I love, of course, one of my favorite things is stars. You all know that. And I love this, and I love the colors. So I'm making this table runner for sure.
Okay, so there's definitely a cooking theme here. So you've got
Yes.
your runner with your little plates with your cookies on them.
Yeah.
Okay, we know where that's all going. Then
So
off to the side.
ugly sweaters and cooking.
Yes, ugly sweaters and cooking. Have a party.
Yes. We
Number
are
nine.
at the end of the
Yeah,
month.
that's right. We are. Number 9. You ready for number nine's in a box? I love these little boxes too. I'm
I
keeping
do
that.
too. They're nice. Yeah.
So it doesn't rattle. Haven't well, it was made in China. Family Story Create, made in China, but that's all we know. Okay. Oh, what is this?
Oh, okay. That's kind
Okay.
of cool.
All right, it involves a USB cord
Hmm.
and what the is it? Okay, you ready to hold them up?
Yes. Yes.
Is it? It's a light, isn't it?
It's a clip-on light. Yeah.
Oh,
Now
yes.
we can't turn it on for you right now. We got to charge it, but it's a chargeable clip-on like little light. So if you do cross stitch or anything handwork or any other craft, or you just need a little spotlight, like maybe next to your machine, something like if you don't have a bright light on your machine, you
Yeah,
could clip this next to you and like turn it on. That's cute.
that is cute. And
And it's a lovely color.
I am thinking that this I might be taken to the retreat because I can always use extra light for close up
Absolutely.
and it'll
Yeah.
clip to your table.
Yep. I like this. This is nifty.
Yes, I like this too. This is cool. Okay. I
Huh.
like anything that plugs in. Okay, so that was what? And that was number 9.
9. Yes.
All right. So we have number 10.
One more. Ooh, this
It's
one's
heavy
heavy.
and it moves.
Yeah.
I have no idea. I can't even.
Me either. It's heavy. That's all I know.
All right.
All right, let's open it.
These bags, by the way, that all these come in, this is like they're very substantial.
They are. They're not like little brown paper sacks. They're thick.
No. So I'm trying not to rip this one as I try and get this one out because it fits in tight. Okay.
I can't get mine out. Oh, there we go.
Okay. This is kind of neat.
Oh,
Ready to show
okay.
you?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. playing cards.
Playing cards.
It's 2 decks of playing cards.
They
And
have quilt blocks on them, which is cute.
yeah. And so they've just got a quilt design around them.
And Chuck the Duck is the Joker.
Yep. So, I haven't played any card games in a long time, but it's always good to have a deck of cards. In fact, I'm just thinking, I don't think I have a deck of cards anywhere. I don't know. So now I do.
Yeah,
Two.
now you have two.
Well, that's okay. That's okay.
Okay.
So the theme is you're serving your cookies on the nice little plates on your table runner, and you're playing cards with your friends.
Wearing your ugly sweater.
And in case for those who can't see the cards, you have a little light.
Yes.
Right. So that's the 5 for this segment. So which one do you like the best?
That's gonna take a minute.
Yeah. I'm thinking.
Wow. Okay, I'm gonna say the one I like the least first.
Okay. Okay.
That's the easiest. And it's not that I don't like it, it's just the least out of this grouping, because I think this whole grouping was good, is just the playing cards. Just because I think it'll be something that it's cute, but I'll probably sit it on a shelf and not touch it for a while. So
I agree with you totally on that. That's my least. My favorite though is because you plug it in, the light.
The light.
I can't wait to try.
I think my favorite is, well, it's kind of two, but these together, because I love this table runner. I cannot wait to make this. I'm already like, oh, what do I need to do?
I have projects already to take to the retreat in Georgia, but I'm thinking, I've got some other things I'm working on now. I might be packing these along with me too to work on them while
Well, yeah. Plus, I think we could get this together real quick. I mean, it's a quick project. I love this.
And another thing that this is handy for is when I want to do Christmas carols karaoke with the light. I go, hello.
Do you be? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Lounge singing.
But see, that's why it was hard to pick, because I love this is my favorite just because I love the timber. But this and this. I mean, I love all these.
The roller too. I love that too as well.
I know. So yeah.
Maybe I can get Walter to make the cookies because he won't trust me in the kitchen.
Shortbread should be right up his alley.
Well, it'll be up something. Okay, I'm buried under all these packages in here. Okay, I guess I'm good. All right, so that was our second segment. So we did days 6 to 10. So I hope you guys were thrilled by those as gifts as well. So far, this whole thing has been definitely worth what I paid for it, and I paid a lot more than you did.
Yes, you did. So tell us about down below in the comments what your favorite one is so far. We'd love to hear.
And what's your least favorite so far too? I'd like to hear that. When we say our least favorite, we love them all. Okay. So far, like there's nothing here that I would say, oh God, why did I get that? Kind of. It's very hard to choose. Very hard to choose. So having said that, we're going to move on to segment 3, which you will see on December the 15th when we open up gifts 11 to 15. I have to think about that for a minute. That's not one of my better things. Okay, everybody. So thanks for joining us today. See you on the 15th. Bye-bye.